Croeso i'r Llyfrgell Genedlaethol. Gwyneth ydw i, a fi sy'n rhedeg y cynllun gwirfoddoli yma yn y Llyfrgell. Dewch gyda fi am dro bach i weld yr hyn sydd gan y cynllun i'w gynnig ac i gwrdd â rhai o'r gwirfoddolwyr sy'n gweithio gyda ni ar hyn o bryd.
Anna ydw i, a dwi wedi bod yn gwirfoddoli yn yr arfan o Bydd. Wel, pan da chi wedi cyrraedd oedran arbennig, y demtasiwn ydy ffarwelio ar byd a mynd i eistedd i'r gongol a dyna fo. Yn bach o sir, dwi'n mynd dda iawn am eistedd yn y gongol, ond mae gen i anableddau ac felly o'n i'n chwilio am waith gwirfoddol oedd yn ffitio rownd o'n problemau fi. Ac oherwydd bod fi wedi ymwneud â phobl ar hyd oes yn weinidog ac yn athrawes, o'n i'n teimlo, wel, tybed oes na waith i mi lle rydw i'n dod i gysylltiad â phobl ac mae hyn yn waith delfrydol.
I think this volunteering opportunity will help me gain skills and further skills I already have from the degree I'm doing at the university in Aberystwyth. I also think that in terms of getting a job within the heritage and culture sector, you have to have practical hands-on experience, and this programme enables you to do so. I've learnt a lot about Wales, and I've learnt a lot about Aberystwyth, and I've seen and touched some really cool stuff.
I'm here every Tuesday to help out in categorising the paintings in the National Library. We work in teams and we just pull them out, take the number, see what conditions they are in, and learn a little bit about them and its background and place them neatly back in their proper location.
Tra bod y gwirfoddolwyr yn rhestru y darluniau, maen nhw hefyd yn cael llawer iawn o hyfforddiant ac addysg am ddulliau cadwriaethol trwy weithio gyda'r swyddog cadwraeth.
Wel, mae cysylltiad teuluol dy fi mewn ffordd achos bod yng nghefndir Emyr yn gweithio yn Llyfrgell ac yn tywys bobl o amgylch y Llyfrgell a clywed am ei brofiadau diddorol hyn. Wedi cael problemau iechyd yn y gorffennol ac yn teimlo byddai gwirfoddoli yn helpu fi ail-adeiladu'n hunan hyder. Pawb wedi bod yn groesawgar dros ben ac yn helpful iawn.
Volunteering can be a very worthwhile experience. Volunteers come here to the National Library for various reasons. Some come here because they want to do something meaningful with their time. Some come here because they're feeling a bit lonely at home and they're looking for new friendships and new skills. And others come here because they're looking for work and they want to develop new skills and experiences to add to their CV.
The reason I applied to be a volunteer is because to put something on my CV. At the moment I'm unemployable, but hopefully in the near future this will give me in the right direction to be employable and to succeed what I want in life. What I like about volunteering is the friendly staff and you feel you're relaxed and calm.
Mae yna nifer o wirfoddolwyr yn gweithio ar gyfres llongau Aberystwyth. Dyma gyfres o'r holl longau oedd wedi cofrestru i harbwr Aberystwyth o 1850 ymlaen.
I've been volunteering here for 18 months now. I enjoy doing this because I have maritime history within my own family history, and that's what I enjoy the most regarding the shipping records. I suffer with epilepsy and I ended up having to give up my work in the year 2000, and my epilepsy was quite bad back then, but as the years have gone by I've actually improved a lot now, and this has now actually increased my confidence and I've found it very enjoyable.
Mae Bob a Dave yn dod yma ddwywaith yr wythnos a tra bod nhw'n rhestru mapiau OS Lloegr, maen nhw'n dod o hyd I bob math o lefydd diddorol.
I applied to be a volunteer because I've got some spare time on my hands and something interesting and books and interest, books and history I'm fascinated with. And I come across lots of interesting features, like old forts and archaeological finds, and looking at how the landscapes have changed over these years. Everybody's really friendly here, and I've met lots of nice people, and it's improved my social circle. And I'm working with a chap, David, who's the same age as me, funny enough, and we've got very similar interests, and I really enjoy working with him.
I applied to become a volunteer because, being retired, I decided I'd like to give something back to society, and plus do something meaningful as well. Already do the session for Age UK Ceredigion, teaching older people to use computers. Yes, I've broadened some of my knowledge, certainly, working on the shipping lists and the John cartoons, which brought back history as I'd lived through it, but I was able to pass on information to some of the younger volunteers, and yes, I've met quite a lot of people from different age groups, different backgrounds, so it is interesting from that point of view.
My name's Stuart, I'm at Awyddus University, and I've come here for work experience because I want to be an archivist. At the moment, well, I did the shipping records originally, and I've been here for a period of coming up to 3 years now. And now I'm in the Sound and Vision archive, and I'm working on new acquisitions, so everything that's been bought in the last few years, I'm just making a list of everything that's in there. It's good to volunteer at the National Library because you get travel expenses and you also get free tea and coffee and breaks.
Ar ddydd Iau, mae gyda fi byw i'n galw yr A-team. Mae'r A-team gyda fi fan hyn. Mae yna nifer o resymau pam wy'n galw nhw yn yr A-team. Mae gwaith nhw o safon uchel iawn. Mae cwmni nhw o safon gwell fydd. I ni'n cael llawer iawn o hwyl ar fore dydd Iau yn clogan ac yn trafod pob math o bethau. Rhai pethau, falle byddwn ni ddim yn ail adro ddim. Ond ni yn cael lot o hwyl, a mae hynna'n rhan bwysig iawn o wirfoddoli. Nag i chi mwynhau, wel, beth yw'r pwynt?
After I graduated from Awyddus University and my volunteering period was over as we completed the project, I noticed a assistant digitalization position available here at the library, and I decided to attempt to go get it, and I was fortunate enough to get the position, and now working here at the library in a part-time job.
Symudais I o Loegr I fyw yn yr ardal yma, a dwi wedi dysgu Cymraeg. Dwi wedi dechrau gwirfoddoli yn y Llyfrgell Genedlaethol I ymarfer y iaith Cymraeg, a hefyd I ymwneud ffrindiau newydd.
I've recommended volunteering at the library to a lot of people, and it's such a brilliant opportunity to expand on or develop new skills and meet new people and see some really interesting and exciting things.
If you're interested in what you've seen today and would like to learn more, then please get in touch. We'd love to hear from you. Mae'n rhaid bod yn 18 oed I wirfoddoli yn y Llyfrgell, ond cofiwch, does neb byth yn rhy hen.